Hello everyone, welcome back to JavaHub TV. My name's Ant Payne and this is the brew guide for using your Chemex. Before we get going, please follow us and like us on all our socials at JavaHub Official and subscribe below for more brew guides and all things coffee. Now, let's get brewing. Weigh about 32 grams of JavaHub coffee using the scales and grind it to a reasonably coarse grind. This should have the consistency of like rough sand. We recommend using Jamala or Africano for this. Obviously you can use any flavour coffee you like. Place the filter paper into the Chemex. If you need to know how to fold one of these Chemex filter papers, then please click on the video link now on your screen. Now, pour freshly boiled water through the filter. This will get rid of the slight papery taste and adhere the paper to the side of the Chemex. Now, without removing the filter, you need to discard the water from the Chemex. Now we're ready for the coffee. Add the ground coffee into the Chemex. Now, the water should now have cooled down ever so slightly, so it's not at full boiling point, about 91 to 94 degrees. Now slowly pour about 50 to 70 millilitres of water onto the coffee grinds, ensuring the grinds are all saturated, whilst trying to avoid, at this point, pouring down the side of the filter paper. The coffee grinds will start to bloom and increase in size. This is where the trapped CO2 gas created during the roasting process is departing. Now, allow the bloom to sit, avoiding it drying out though. And before the bloom dries out, start pouring the rest of the heated water onto the coffee grinds. Do it in like a circular motion, tracking from the centre to the outsides. This should take about 2 minutes. A nice slow process to give you the desired amount of coffee. Topping it up every time it goes down. Bit of a tip here, when you're doing this, try not to move the Chemex to allow the water a nice clear path through the coffee. When the bed of coffee is starting to dry, you can remove the filter paper from the Chemex and get rid of it. Give your Chemex a little swoosh around just to aerate the coffee. And now you're ready to pour a perfect cup of coffee. Cheers. Still a bit hot. Oh, I'll leave it for the moment.